of the things we want to do on this truck is improve capability, both towing and payload. And the suspension and the chassis play an important role in that endeavor. The all-new Ram 1500 has the smartest frame in the segment, which includes a 23-degree splayed railed system out in front of the truck. That is unique in the segment. The all-new frame is longer by 4 inches wider, yet 100 pounds lighter. Made up of 98% advanced high-strength steel and high-strength steel. We moved the stay bar behind the engine, and that gave us 20% improvement in roll stiffness. We did a lot of light weighting on the suspension. Aluminum front control arms. We do aluminum front knuckles. We did hollow front stay bars, hollow rear stay bars, the front lower control arm crossmember, and the transmission crossmember. All of which was to save weight and improve the fuel economy of the vehicle and give us the ride and handling that we were looking for. We worked with our shock supplier and used their new patented what's called frequency response damping shocks on this vehicle. What it does is it allows us to tune the shocks at 2 different frequencies. So the high frequency stuff or the rough road stuff we could tune with one part of the shock, and the low frequency, very large undulating type events we could tune with another part of the shock. We're kind of excited about air suspension on the Ram 1500. We're the only truck in this segment that offers it. When you go to get in or out of the truck, it lowers a couple inches to allow you to easily get in and out of the truck. Once you start the truck and start moving, it moves back up to the normal ride height. When you get up above 35 miles an hour, the truck drops about 15 millimeters, and that's to provide fuel economy improvements when you're driving down the road because the truck is riding slightly lower. We already start an inch high on the Rebel trucks. Clearly the person buying the Rebel truck is someone that does like to go off-road, so that's one feature the air suspension provides the Rebel truck buyer. We took the base wheel of the Ram 1500, we increased it to 18 inches. That allowed us to fit a 14.9-inch rotor in the front and a 14.8-inch rotor in the rear to give us the largest brakes in the segment.